G'day guys. Okay, in this section we're going to talk about requesting reviews and testimonials. So to start with, we're going to talk about this custom setting here. This custom setting, once that's selected and you put your customer's name in, and then how you want them to receive the request, whether it be via email or SMS or both, which is ideal if you have both those infos. Select which one you want to do, and then what kind of review would you like from them. Okay, would you like a video only, or an audio only, or a text only? Or you can select any format which will send them, and I'll show you all three options. Okay, so what they will see is this. Okay, they will, if they want to leave a text feedback, they will select this one, or if they're more comfortable with an audio feedback, they will do this one. Or video is here, which they can record from their webcam, or they can upload a file. They can do it however they want and use that file, or they can do it from their phone. So if this request gets opened from an SMS, I will choose this one, and it will just open their phone, and it will be nice and easy for them to record a video testimonial for you. Or if they prefer, they can just use this field down here to upload their own video to YouTube and give you the link. It's that simple, very easy. Okay, so generally you're not going to give them the choice. I think it's better to, personally think it's better to select video. Audio, if you have a use for it, yes, but video, if you select video only, they will only see this option. These other two won't be here. Okay. Now, and this is, which is where you put their email on the mobile and send it away. It's very simple. So what it does, if you request both, and they get the email or there's SMS, once I open the link, they will get to a landing page, right, which has this first video on it. Okay, the first video asks them, thanks them for their work, and asks them for some feedback. Once they submit that feedback, it takes them to the next page, right, the thank you page, which thanks them again and just asks them if they don't mind spending 2 more minutes leaving a written review on either one of your sites, whether it be your Google business listing or your Facebook business page. Okay, so there's video 1 and video 2. Generally, you'll just use the male version or the female version. Okay, I've had those recorded for guys that cannot stomach making a video, basically, that would rather just choose which ones they want, and away they go, and you can start using it without any fuss. Personally, I think you should use your own, and if it doesn't bother you recording your own, once you record it and upload it to YouTube, you just put that link right here and have it selected. That's the one you want to use, and have that one selected. Alright, and then those are the videos that will be used. Okay, to get an idea of what to say in your videos, just listen to these two. Pretty simple. Okay, that's about it, guys, for the custom setting. Generally, you're going to use the custom setting for video, and I just generally use the custom and I send via both, and I just request video. I've got enough written testimonials, and today video is the way to go, unless your customers aren't comfortable doing it. And then you could get a text video, and you can create a customer success story around. Well, what you do is you create customer success stories around everything you do on this, but that's a video for it's another lesson and another awesome feature of this site, this tool. Okay, guys, so that's custom settings, and that's requesting video testimonials. easily. But before you do that, you have to just make sure your templates are set up. Okay. Alright, both email and SMS templates. Okay. You should have already watched that one. If you haven't, this is it here. Go back and find it and watch this one, because you need to edit these to suit your business. Okay. There's a video on this. Okay. There's the 3 emails, and then there's the 3 SMSs that they get. Okay, that's all explained in another video. Once they do, if they click through to and leave a review off your first mail out or your first SMS, they won't get the second and third. It'll shut it down straight away. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's it, guys. Thanks for listening, and talk to you on the next video.